Las Vegas domestic violence lawyer, by www.lvnvlawyer.com. Prosecuting attorneys and judges take accusations of domestic violence very seriously, and although it is not uncommon for the alleged victim to recant or request to have the charges dismissed, it is very unusual for this to occur. In fact, in Nevada, a prosecutor is prohibited from reducing or dismissing a battery domestic violence charge if the prosecutor believes there is probable cause. As a result, battery domestic violence cases often proceed to trial. Therefore, it is imperative to retain the services of an experienced battery domestic violence lawyer to prepare and present your defense at trial. The consequences associated with a conviction for battery domestic violence are extremely harsh, and even a first conviction for domestic battery in Las Vegas, Nevada, requires a minimum of 2 days in jail and up to 6 months of confinement. Consequently, it is imperative to speak with a domestic violence attorney today. Additionally, a conviction also requires the completion of 6 months of domestic battery counseling, 48 hours of community service, and up to a $1,000 fine. A conviction also carries the following additional penalties. 1. Loss of your Second Amendment right to ever own a firearm. 2. Conviction cannot be removed from your record for a minimum of 7 years. 3. Conviction is a substantial factor in child custody proceedings. Any subsequent charge of domestic battery in a 7-year period requires mandatory jail time. Specifically, a conviction of a second charge of domestic battery requires 10 days in jail, whereas a third offense, within 7 years, carries a penalty of 1 to 5 years in prison. Call 474-7000 to discuss your rights. Music by Kevin MacLeod.